So we're going to San Antonio today. So we just pulled up. We're at this place called Lincoln Park. We're parking here. It's a 3-mile ride into the city, and then that'll take us right to where like the city starts. And there's also the river walk there. So we're gonna do that, and we'll see you out there once we get going. I'm gonna finish putting these blades on and packing up my stuff. So this is how we managed to get down. I can jump down 2 or 3, but going down like 7 in a row. Definitely don't want to try that yet. So here's the entrance to the Riverwalk. Very nice area. So we're just gonna keep heading down this way. It goes towards the old town of where San Antonio apparently first started out, so that's where we're heading first. Well, it got a little too crowded where we were, so we put away the rollerblades for a little while. Walking around, we're gonna check out the rest of the area. On top of the building here, the whole city behind me. It's pretty sweet. The drop down. Just got done, finished walking around. We got the blades back on, and we're gonna go explore. So we found the original site of the Alamo. So it goes around this whole block here. It's actually like right in the middle of the city, which I didn't expect. So we're on the corner here. It's a pretty cool block here. We're just kind of riding around and exploring. And then there's a giant mall down the Riverwalk that we're gonna get back to. We just wanted to get out here and see the Alamo site before we got dark again. So we'll go and check out the mall, and then we'll probably start heading back. It's been a long day here. We've been riding around for a couple hours now. So these roads are not very good for riding. They're like completely stone. So you fall a lot, but well, we haven't fallen yet, but we trip up a lot. A little difficult to ride. But nice day out. It was like 65, 70. I think it got highest it got was like 68. So oh, we're now out of the city. On the way back, we got 2.5 miles to go back, so we got to get out there before the sun sets, hopefully. The sun is officially set, and we didn't beat it back, but I think we'll be back before it gets really dark. We got like another mile or 2 left. Just coming down the final stretch. Got this awesome sunset view. So we're in Corpus Christi now. Turns out I forgot to make a outro video when I was back in San Antonio there, so this is the outro video. As you can see, it's a little like weird. Some of the cuts aren't making sense. I'm having problems with the GoPro. It's not saving some of the files right, and it's audio cut out of it. So some of the cuts don't really make sense. That explains why that has been happening. So I'm going to try to fix that. But yeah, so the next video here is going to be in Corpus Christi. So we'll be exploring that tomorrow, and I'll be posting that whenever I get a chance to edit it. So we ended up doing the river walk, and that went around the entire San Antonio river there. We followed along pretty far. We were walking most of it, and we bladed a little bit of it, but it was a little too many people walking around. Couldn't really ride too well, so we put the blades away and we ended up walking around. Then we went and saw the Alamo, so that was pretty cool. We saw the original building there. It was right in the middle of the city, so I lost some of the video footage from that, but we saw a little bit of it. That was a pretty cool sight. So if you want to keep posted on where we're going next, our next video will be Corpus Christi, so make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and it'll tell you when we post our next video.